Today we're playing Don't Press the Button in Roblox. So I don't know how much levels I'm gonna play, but I know I'm gonna play this game. So let's go. Why is there invisible ground? Maybe I'm still loading because it looks like, okay, there's not. I think I never played this game before. How do I have 40 coins? It's probably because I got a badge for no reason. Press the button. What do we do? What do I do? Is this game... Oh, she has to press the button. Girl, you pressed the stupid button already. Where even is she? Press the button. Bacon dude! Okay, I think this is the wrong server to be. Bacon dude. Get the fuck out of her way. Okay, I didn't mean to say that. That was kind of rude. Click the door. Oh, finally. Click the door. Click the door. What door? What door? This door. This door. Okay. Dude. Are you see? Well. Enter the mystery cave. I'm in last place because, haha. No. Oh, so lucky. This is how bruh. Someone name is bruh. Someone is seriously named bruh. Make it, make it, make it! Ooh, that was lucky. I was real lucky. Oh no. Make it! Make it! I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I won! You won! Yeah! That's what I thought! That's what I thought! You don't mess with me, button presser. I won first. This guy with the rainbow, the magic carpet is literally winning. He's gonna win every single round. That's not fair. Pack shop. Oh, hell no. Hell no. I don't have any Robux. So I look so poor. This is what I feel like every single day. My stomach looks like this. Empty. Needs food. Ah! What the? Get to the end without jumping? Oh, you can't jump. You literally can't jump. Frick. Ooh. Go game. This game useless. What? Oh. Okay. Easy. This game is easy. Oh, you need to jump down. Okay, you need to walk down. Can't jump. The jumper is literally gone. If anybody knows that, everybody knows that. You fell! No! Wait for me, people. You guys evil. Oh no, I'm so close, I might not do it. Go! Come on! Go! We did it! We got Can we jump now? Let me jump! Okay. Who's the button presser? Okay, she's the button presser. Press the button. This is how I feel every day. What the? Oh, we have to watch out. Oh! Just look up. We're fine. Just look up. Just look up. Oh my god, can I not be here? Can I literally not be here? The frick? Did I lose? Oh, I didn't. Who won? Get ready to copy the painting on the right by touching the pads. What? What does that mean? Oh, got a pattern. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Why can I not move from here? Oh, that's how the flood will go. You can't jump. Oh, you can't jump. Bro, I lost already. I'm mad. I was rushing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. How? You can't. Oh, that's easy. Am I dumb or so? Oh, that's the okay. I'm a little mad. Hey, Leah, you hit the button. Oh, shoot! I didn't see that coming. Well, not that happy. Oh, ooh. Hole in the wall. Hole in the wall. Where's the laser? Huh? Excuse me. Okay. The frick? Oh, you have to smack people. Okay, I'm starting to die. Smack! Bruh. Smack! Bruh. Smack! Smack that dude in the face! Smack! I've won. Smack! Bro. He smacked me like nobody cares. Okay. Are you... How am I gonna reach 14? 15, 16? Smack! Bro. La 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 la. How do I only have one still? I'm gonna slap her like she doesn't even care. Slap. I'm gonna slap your butt. Come over here. Wee-yo, I'm gonna point at you. She's the evil one here. Send her to jail. Fool. You are such a fool. You are such a fool. You're such a fool. Oh. Okay. You're such a fool. You're such a fool. Just die. You're such a fool. Oh, who won? Okay. I'm happy. Oh, where are they? Where are we? Yeah, okay, we can't zoom out. We can't zoom out. That's bad. Well, it's a maze. So, not that. What? Where am I? It doesn't. That's a trick, bro. How about over here? Dead end. Dead end. Where? Yeah, who asked? Where are we? That's where we spawned. This is where I'm going. Who won? Nobody? Are you serious right now? My stomach is right now hungrier than you think. Look. Stop encountering the balls by touching them. Stop No! Touch the ball, guys. Touch the balls, guys. Dude. Oh. Okay. The frick? Jump over the laser? Oh. Everybody died almost. Is he floating? Is he hacking? Is he hacking? The frick? I'm gonna say what? How? Oh my. Oh my. That guy just twerked for a sec. I'll let Mambila. Google! Tanker! The stupid guy, the stupid girl keeps surrounding me. She's literally running in circles like wee. I'm like, what? Bro, he can't fight him. He's too good. Haha. Oh, that's lucky. The freak, bro? Okay. Oh, okay. You see. Reach the other side. Oh. Allah. That was confusing. Who? No, so close. Phew. This is the rainbow on the tambo. Wee. Oh, wee. Did I even touch it? No, I did not. Okay, how? That's impossible. Stay clear. Moving the platforms. Ha. Whoa. Oh, if it shakes, that means it's about to fall. Oh! Shoot. Yo! He's cheating. Yo, you freaker. How dare you? If you shoot my face. How dare you? Okay. Oh, he's so rude. Why is he so rude? This guy deserves to go to hell. And that's it for today. And I just want to say something to you guys. Please give me food. Look how I just want to say something. Please give me food. Look how hungry I am. Please give me food. That's all I want to say. I need food. So, yum. I have no food though. So, bye guys.